Hello.
Hello. So we're here at Florida Restaurant, one of my favorite places to get pizza here in Taghazout. Great prices for the pizza, and this is my favorite here, the 4 cheese.
4 cheeses, where's that?
Maybe we just get a round of 4 cheeses today and get like 12 cheeses. We'll see what we get into here though, but I like this place.
I'm hungry too, I could eat a taco and a pizza.
I know a place in Taghazout.
Hi Andrea.
Hi Felix.
How's it going?
Good. How are you?
Very good.
How are you feeling today?
Okay, I'd say. I'm having an okay day. Pretty good afternoon. Now we're hungry and trying to decide what we're going to eat.
They got Mexican pizza, they got tacos American, but as I said outside, the 4 cheese pizza is what I'm here for today.
I would also like a taco.
Think you can do both?
You think so?
Yeah.
Is this going to turn into another mukbang?
So Andrea, what are you most excited about in this meal? Taco or pizza?
Taco and French fries.
Felix, is your stomach talking to you right now?
Talking.
Mine's talking.
Speaking my language.
Oh my god, look at this kitten with white socks.
Andrea says cat in the tuxedo with the white socks.
Voila. Yes.
Excellent.
Oh, that's very good. Wow.
Wow.
Good, huh?
It's one good looking pizza.
4 cheese.
Got that cheese on there. Wow. Man, that looks good.
Looks very good.
The pizza coming.
Thank you, mister.
Great. Oh, that's good. And a taco coming too. We got taco to split. That's all.
Just
my
to
favorite
try.
Pizza in Taghazout. Thank you. Herbs on the fries. Bismillah. People always tell us to try tacos on the channel, and this looks like a good taco, good demo. The Taco American. It's got beef, chicken, dinde, turkey too, and
Sauce and extra cheese.
3 types of meat.
extra cheese. The American taco, Moroccan style. Taste of America right here. Felix, the only word is it's hot.
It's good too. Really delicious.
Yeah?
Yeah. Yeah, we can come back here.
Yeah, Felix approves. That's very important.
This taco is amazing.
Okay, let me
Well,
try.
crisp, meaty. Try it.
Oh, it's a lot of meat. Oh wow.
It's very nice.
It's good, huh? You like that taco? I'm thinking we should order another one.
Best
eh?
taco.
I think we
Best
should
taco
order.
I've eaten in Morocco. Here.
We came for the pizza, discovered the taco. I think we might need a second taco. Here, we have the tuxedo cat. Hey there, cat. No, 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 no.
But I like the taste. I like the taste of pelati.
Of the what? Chicken fillet? What'd you say?
Of the tomato sauce.
Ah, tomato sauce. Did you say it in Slovenian?
Pelati.
Palasi.
Okay, cheese pizza time.
4 cheese pizza. What cheeses we got on here? Mozzarella?
Mozzarella and white cheese and the blue.
That's only 3 cheeses.
What do you say?
It's a 4 cheese pizza. It's crispy. it's juicy. It's straight out of the oven. Good stuff.
They're hot.
So you like Mexican pizza?
Yeah, I got a new favorite pizza here. Mexican pizza, real nice. But the American taco is the best.
Yeah, I think an American taco and a Mexican pizza is a good combination.
The
That's
combination.
a good marriage. That's what we need. Mexican pizza, American taco. Restaurant Florida.
On
In Taghazout. Alright, Kevin, let's do this. Last slice. Yeah.
Helping Felix out with his pizza, helping Andrea out with her pizza.
Yeah.
That's good, I haven't tried that yet. Nice beef.
She's attacking my toe. This is my toe, you idiot.
Go get him, Tiger. Go.
Oh, what the hell? So Momo, can I ask you a question? Do you hope we get tourists back here in Taghazout soon?
Of course.
How's it going here?
It's actually in this time Taghazout without tourism, she's dying. So the whole business they dying, like a surf camps, surf schools, the restaurants, the cafes, surf shops, the artisanal shops. So we hope in next few months they can open the border and then we can see again tourism.
Inshallah, and I hope you come to see Momo if you come to Taghazout. He's got a great place to stay. Can you tell us about
Taghazout Surf Waves, and then the package they start for next season, for this season they start like from 250 euro.
Wow. It's really
So
good price.
it's all inclusive.
all inclusive?
Yeah.
250 euro.
250.
Wow. All right. Well, this is the place for pizza and tacos and your surf trip if you're coming to Taghazout.
So the name of the surf camp is Taghazout Surf Waves. So
Taghazout.
you can check it on Instagram and then on Google, on Facebook also.
And people who do the surf camp, they can also eat here, right?
Yeah. So for that in the food you can choose everything you wanna, like from lunch and breakfast and dinner. So we serve it like a pizza, tacos, tagines, couscous. So everything.
That's a big factor,
Yeah.
so you're gonna eat well here.
Moroccan food, and for the picky eater, you could get pizza and tacos. And
And actually you have like the 4 hours for surfing.
4 hours. Wow.
So you're gonna be hungry after that.
Last bites of the pizza, we're going for it.
You're saying goodbye? Yeah?
Safi.
End of
Safi
video?
Salim. It's time to say goodbye to Taghazout.
Yeah.
Look how nice it is. Tiles, shades, colors.